Hello friends, I myself Patel Lukman. Today we are going to discuss about the subject Social Science Geography Class 7 First chapter Environment. Now let's start. In this chapter what we learn, here are some topics. First, define means what is environment, or give the definition of environment. Importance of natural environment. Components of environment means natural, human and human made. Next we will discuss the topic ecosystem, barter system. Now we are discuss about what is environment. Environment environor environor meaning neighborhood. This word comes from French word environor meaning neighborhood. Whatever we see in our surrounding means the school buildings, tables, chair in the classroom, even fields, roads, etc. we can see around us. Some objects are created by nature. Example, rivers, trees, mountains, animals, and other made by people. For example, roads, cars, clothes, books, etc. I repeat this. Environment definition: whatever we see in our surrounding means school buildings, table, chair, in our classrooms, fields, roads, we can see around us. Some objects are created by nature: rivers, trees, mountains, animals. Hence others made by people, for example roads, cars, books. Do you know environment is our basic life support system? It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the land where we live. Students, do you know why environment changing? Our environment is changing due to the increase in the temperature. Global warming caused by the human activities. These change very harmful for us. The cars' fumes pollute the air. Water is collected in a pot. Food is served in vessels. And land is used to build factories. Human beings make cars, mills, factories, and manufacture containers. This is how human beings modify natural environment. And our needs are increasing day by day. We therefore modifying, at times even destroying our natural surroundings. Students, now we are discussing about components of environment. Because of our needs, they are increasing day by day. We are therefore modifying and at times even destroying our natural surrounding. From above conversation, we understand that the place, people, and things and nature that human being made phenomena. Phenomena means incident. While the natural environments refers to both biotic and abiotic. Biotic means the world living organism, and abiotic means the world of non-living elements, conditions existing on the earth. Students, now we are discussed natural environment. Natural environment is the parts of the environment: land, water, air, plants, and animal comprise the natural environment. First, we are discuss lithosphere. Lithosphere is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals, are covered by a thin layer of soil. It is an irregular surface with various landforms such as mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, etc. Landforms are found over the continents and also on the ocean floors. It is the domain that provides us forests, grassland for grazing, land for agriculture and human settlement, and source of mineral wealth. Students, we are discussing now hydrosphere. The domain of water is referred to as hydrosphere. It comprises various sources of water and different type of water bodies like rivers, seas, oceans, etc. It is essential for all living organisms. Students, now we are discuss atmosphere, air. Atmosphere is the thin layer of the air that surrounds the earth. The gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere around it. It protects us from the harmful rays and scorching heat of the sun. It consists of a number of gases, dust, and water vapor. The changes in the atmosphere produce changes in the weather and climate. Now we are discuss biosphere, living things, plants and animal kingdom together make biosphere or the living world. It is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water, and air interact with each other to support life. Students, these we are discuss about components of the environment. Students, in this chapter we have learned define of environment, importance of natural environments, components of the environment, nature, human and human made. Then we have discussed about why environment changing, components of the environment, natural environment definition also. Land, water, air, plants and animals comprise the natural environment. Discuss about lithosphere, land, hydrosphere, water, atmosphere, air, biosphere, living things. Now we have a new topic about ecosystem. We have a question, students. What is an ecosystem? This is the answer. An ecosystem is a community of living organisms interacting with each other and their non-living environment. This is the definition. My students, I repeat now. An ecosystem is a community of living organisms interacting with each other and their non-living environments. We have a question. What makes up an ecosystem? All living things means plant, animals and bacteria. Non-living things, the sun, rock and the soil. So this is an ecosystem. Now, my dear, we have a new topic, human environment. Human beings interact with the environment and modify it according to their need. Early humans adapted themselves to the natural surroundings. They led a simple life and fulfilled their requirements from the nature around them. Humans learned to grow crops, domesticate animals, and lead a settled life. The wheel was invented. Surplus food was produced. Barter system emerged. Trade started. And commerce, business activity was developed. Industrial revolution enabled large-scale production. Transportation became faster. Information revolution made communication easier and spread across a world. This progress done by human environment. Students, now we discuss about barter system. It is a trade in which goods are exchanged without the use of money. I repeat, without the use of money. Without the use of money. A trade in which goods are exchanged. A trade in which goods are exchanged. This is called a barter system.